Imagine a machine that can think for itself, tell you where it is, what it's doing, tell you when something's wrong. Imagine you could see what your whole fleet is up to at the click of a mouse. Imagine if your dealer could respond to an issue before it becomes a problem. With LiveLink, you can receive real-time data about your machine, its exact location, its status, its fuel consumption. Theft is an ever-present threat. LiveLink makes tracing a missing machine simple. And if LiveLink's disconnected, the machine won't start. Stay in control. Set a curfew. If the machine starts, you'll be the first to know. Put up an invisible fence. LiveLink will tell you if it's crossed. Reduce downtime. An engine that monitors itself. If there's a problem, it knows, and so do we. Planned servicing to suit you. More uptime, more productive hours. Less cost, less hassle. Managing a fleet? Get the figures you need. Fuel consumption, idle times, working hours. Deploy your machines for maximum use. Real-time data, 24/7. Instant analysis. Know your bottom line. Constant monitoring of location, usage and performance, putting you in control. LiveLink from JCB. Work smarter.